Well, another piece of Royal Albert Old Country Roses, this time a 3.75-inch square trinket box, 1.5 inches tall. Let's just show you the inside and outside. The lid's decorated in floor blocks of the Royal Albert Old Country Rose design with burnished gilt around the square sort of flat edge of the rim. Good quality glaze inside and nice and clean. And the inside of the little trinket box, as you see, white glazed porcelain, absolutely clean. Some moulding detail on the side walls, giving shape to the 4 blocks of Royal Albert Old Country Rose design, the little trio of rosebuds. There's the post-1972, copyright 1962 mark, introduced in 72, so that only appears on china, produced by Royal Albert after 1972, and this is a first quality factory stamp, which means it passed all the internal quality control checks by Royal Albert. It's a lovely little thing, dressing table set, trinket box, could be used for a variety of uses, couldn't it, or just a lovely piece of Royal Albert porcelain china for display. It's available for sale from the Vintage and Antique website, and we'll pop a link in below taking you through to the website listing where this and a whole range of Royal Albert Old Country Rose pieces are available from us here in the UK. So do have a browse through on the website when you get through. Thanks for watching.